Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to convert Word document to PDF. Here in this tutorial, I am going to share with you 3 methods to convert Word document to PDF. Let's get started. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open my Word document. This is my file and I want to convert this document as a PDF. This is my restaurant document which is designed in Word document and I want to convert this as a PDF. Okay, so what I will do, simply click on this file tab and then click on save as, and here we are going to select the location where I want to save this restaurant, my restaurant document as a PDF. Then click on save as type. Now select PDF, and here this is my first option, that's why I'm going to add number 1 and then press save button. So friend, you can see that my Word document is converted as a PDF. Now friend, I'm going to share with you second option or method to convert Word document as a PDF. So what I will do, again I click on this file tab and here I'm getting this print option. You simply click on it, and when you click on print option, here you simply select Microsoft Print to PDF. You simply select this one and click on print button, and this document will convert as a PDF. And now I'm going to save this PDF to restaurant 2. Okay, and then save, press on save button. So friend, here you can see that this is my second PDF which is created by Microsoft Word. By these two methods you can easily convert your Word document to PDF. Okay, so friend, now I'm going to share with you third method to convert Word document to PDF. Okay, so what I will do, simply open a website. Here I'm going to search Love PDF, then open it, and here simply find out Word to PDF option which is available here. You simply click on it and now select the Word document. So this is my Word document and open it. So friend, you can see that my Word document is here and I want to convert this. That's why I'm click on convert to PDF. And here I'm getting this PDF download button. You simply click on it. And now I'm going to select, this is the third method. Okay, let's open it, and my Word document is converted as a PDF, right? Now I'm going to share with you fourth method, that is very nice software where you can easily do many things. So this is paid software, Systweak PDF Editor. Here you can do premium things, but right now I'm going to share with you how you can convert Word document to PDF. First you click on this convert option, and here friend you can see that this Word to PDF option, then select on this option and now it will converting. Okay, so you can see that Word to PDF file conversion has been completed. You simply click on it, and now friend you can see that very high quality PDF this software is generated. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily convert Word to PDF. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you want to buy this software, Systweak PDF Editor, so you can buy from my description box where I mention this software link, so you will get the idea how this software will work, and many advanced features this software is offering to us, so you can use it. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.